Now we are printing this other side. It's printing with our QS 2000. It's a 3M material, 3M IJ 180 with 3M ink and a 3M laminate. From here we go, see the progress on the bus. We're just waiting till weather to cool down so we can work on the window and finish the back.